What's the meaning of contra dash? Contra. Contra.
Contra. Contra. The prefix contra dash means against or opposite. When it is added to a word, it indicates opposition or contrast with the root word. For example, contradict means to speak or act against something or to deny its truth, while contraband refers to goods that are prohibited or illegal. Other words that use the prefix contra dash include contradiction, contrarian, and contradictory. Overall, the addition of contra dash to a word implies an oppositional relationship or an element of negation.